Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Mathletics. I'm just going to help you navigate the screen a little bit and show you where you need to be in order to complete the activities that Mrs. Deering and myself have assigned for this week. So you'll notice that here's my cute little avatar. You have one as well. I guess mine's a potato, not quite sure. But you're going to make sure that you've clicked on the Learn tab. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it here. If you click on it, and this is what you see. It says you currently have no quests assigned in this cute little dragon guy. Then I want you to make sure that you're on the Activities tab. So make sure you click that. Then you're going to scroll down to the bottom to where it says Data Management and Probability. It's this long orange tab. I want you to click that open and then scroll down. And here's a list of your activities, but we're not quite finished. We actually have some activities at the bottom here that I want you to start with first. So what I would like you to work on for Monday is the Sort It, Making Pictographs with Scale, Sorting Data, Pictographs, and Bar Graphs. If you'd like to move on to Mode, you're welcome to, but we haven't had our lesson on that yet, although we have talked about it in class. But for Monday, you really need to complete 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 different activities. They're not super long. They should be fairly quick. So if you need some more time, you can complete them later, but you need to make sure that by the end of the week, you have all of these activities done. And then scroll up here. You're going to complete these ones as well. So bar chart, bar graphs 2, stem and leaf plots concepts, interpreting data tables, the median from stem and leaf plots, and then finally the test. So this is a definite must by the end of the week once you've completed all these activities. Okay, so I'm going to scroll up to the top and I will list those in our Google Classroom, which ones I recommend you do on which day. If you look over here, there's an Explore tab. Go ahead and click on that. It gives you some videos that you can watch if you're stuck on things. And then we have a Play tab. The Play tab lets you play Mathletics live, and you can game against people in our class, you can game against people in our school, and you can game against people around the world. Now, one thing with this particular feature, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I find when I click on it, it's kind of hit and miss. So if it doesn't work, that's okay. You can try it again later. But if it doesn't work, then try something else like Knowledge Hook or Empower or Prodigy. Okay, so I'm just going to click on it. Fingers crossed. Let's see if it'll work for me today. And usually it should load up. You're going to see this page here, and you want to click on Play. And fingers crossed, it will come up. So today it's not working for me. If it does work, it's going to have World Challenge, and it's going to have a picture of a globe here. And then it's going to have a great big green button that says Go. You also have a computer challenge screen here. At the bottom below the Go button is a class challenge. And over here is a school challenge. But you'll just click the Go. And then you can go and you can play. And there should be 10 different games or 10 different activities at the top here, and it'll give you your results. Okay, so it's kind of hit and miss. Today for me, it's not working, but hopefully when you go to try it will work. I'll see if I can contact our IT department and see if we can work out those bugs. All right, enjoy, and we'll talk to you soon.